Hey, this is something new from JBL brand, new series called the Grip. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove the speaker grill, and then I will test the speaker bass excursion in water. As always, you can hear a huge bass frequency boost when it's in the water. To remove the speaker grill, you will need a flat tool. A butter knife works very well for this, but if you are a vegan, you will have to find another tool. Insert the knife into the gap in the cover at the back of the speaker. Then carefully pry open both sides of the grill. They are attached to the speaker housing with the plastic hooks, not a single screw. And there it is, the new 2026 JBL Grip speaker. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button, because I'm going to look inside and make sound test against other speakers in a similar price range. But for now, it's time for a swim.